Hello, good evening, brother.
Yeah, good evening.
How are you?
Fine.
Oh, so now what are you doing?
Yeah, sitting with my friend. Nothing else, nothing special.
Oh, that's great. So now are you walking in the evening time? It means your friend.
No, not walking, just sitting.
Okay. So now you are present outside of your home.
Yeah, this is my home. This is my home. My friend home.
Oh, great.
And
So, bro, yeah, tell me something.
yeah, you ask whatever you wanna ask.
Yes. So now, do you have any special plan for today?
No, there is any plan. Like if you wanna talk, just normal conversation.
Yes. We can talk just normal conversation.
Yeah.
Oh, great.
Are you talking? Are you talking with foreign people nowadays or not?
Yes, I'm talking.
Uh,
So now where are you? I can't see your face.
what?
Where are you? I can't see your face. I think it's network problem.
No, there is no network. There is no network issue. Can you see?
Yes. Sometimes it happens. I don't know why.
Yeah. With everybody happens like this.
Yeah. Because whenever I communicate, so that time it happens. But I have recorded many times whenever I communicate with you. So that time I can't see you on my screen, on my mobile screen. But whenever I watch my recording, so in recording I see both picture, me and you.
Yeah. Yeah, due to network issue, that's why.
Yeah. Okay, no problem.
Okay. Now can you see me properly?
Yes.
Okay. Nowadays, what are you doing? Have you finished your exam?
Yes. I have completed my exam, and nowadays I am teaching in a school and also learning English.
Yeah. When did you finish your exam? On 6th February?
No, I completed my exam on 11th February.
Or 11th February?
Yes. So now, so brother, hello.
Yeah, can you see?
Yes. So tell me something. Do you have any question? Please ask. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, brother.
Can you see?
Yes. I can. So do you have any question? Please ask, brother.
No, I don't have any question.
You
If you
don't?
have any question, you can ask.
Oh. So tell me something. How is passing your days?
Just I'm practicing.
Oh, good.
Mo- More and more I'm practicing so that as soon as possible I can learn this language. I can achieve. That's why more and more I'm learning.
Oh, great. Yes. So how long do you study for English?
I think it has been 3 months.
No. How many hours do you study for English?
Oh,
How many hours?
how many hours? Yeah, 4 to 5 hours.
Oh, great. And how long do you communicate with your friends for improving your English fluency?
I think it has been 2 months.
Oh, great.
And you? I think you have started this journey 1 month ago, right? Sorry,
Yes.
1 years ago.
1 year ago, yes.
Yeah. And
Mm.
with how many people you talk every day?
Sometimes two or three people every day. Due to lack
Okay.
of time, yes, due to lack of time, I cannot talk with more people.
Yeah, it means you have lack of time.
Yes. because I go to a school for teaching, and after coming back, I go for teaching in institute in coaching.
Okay. Which type of children do you teach? In
Yeah,
10th class, 12th class, which type of student do you teach?
yeah, nursery to 10th.
Or nursery to 10th?
Yes,
Which subject do you teach? English and another subject.
English and social science and science.
Yeah, it means you teach three subjects,
Yes, three subjects.
but your English will be better.
Yes, yes. They are a student of English medium.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, do you have own coaching or you have taken on rent
I have no any own coaching. I go in another coaching for teaching.
or in another coaching?
Yes,
Okay, okay. कहाँ रे बोल?
but 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 in my life, I want to open my own coaching.
Yeah, you know what? Already you have said you want to be a lecturer, right?
Yes, yes, English lecturer.
Interpret- Interpreter.
This is my dream, but I don't know when I will complete my dream.
No, no, no. Surely you can complete. Surely.
Oh, may God fulfill my dreams.
Okay, bro. I call you later because I have work some. Okay.
So now you want to leave a call?
Yeah, yeah. My mother is calling me.
Okay, okay, no problem. You can go. So nice talking with you.